Alright. Watch it till you've had enough, Leilani.
Peeve will be at 54, saturation will be at 131, and your sharpness will be at 70%. So after your capture button, snapshot, JPEG, and record, make sure you record in DVD quality. Okay, that's basically my tag in the actual interface of the actual program. Now we're going to update the base because I have my add-on plug-in onto that. They don't want to make it. So I just send it up next time. And I'll basically show you guys what I do.
It's like, first of all, I can see where the mouse is. Why do I need to hear an artificial click sound? It makes no sense.
I've been working on it.
It ruins the tutorial.
If they can pay the new one, first of all, I go to the yes.
Alright. That's it. All I could see though, like when he clicked, all I could see is you going.
Yeah.
I was like, it really sounds like that though.
Like, dude, I get you're clicking on the. I get where your mouse is. I get what you're clicking on. I totally.
It's like file, save.
Right. Now tell me if you're trying to learn how to do Photoshop when somebody's just sitting there. So we're gonna go here to our layer side, and then we're gonna come over here to this part, layers. Click that, just like that. See that copy and paste? See that? Get that?
Undo.
Alright. And it's like it's not even. It's like you hear the press and the release. Why? Stop putting that stuff in your tutorials, people. It messes up the freaking video. I can't stand that shit when you guys do that. God. Man. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. This was Leilani and Phil's reaction to people's videos with the in it. Alright, say bye, Leilani.
Bye.